Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying battery health so you know if repair or settings will help. Restart into BIOS or run a Windows power report or check Mac OS system report. Note the cycle count and health. Once done, remove external devices and update your OS and firmware to patch power bugs. Also, set the power plan to balanced or power saver and dim the screen to around 50% because display power drains batteries fast. This starts conserving charge immediately. Next, optimize both software and hardware control. Close or uninstall background apps and disable non-essential startup processes in Task Manager or Activity Monitor because they prevent deep sleep. Then tune advanced power options. Shorten sleep timers, prioritize passive cooling, and cap max processor state to about 80 to 90% to reduce power spikes. If battery readings are inconsistent, calibrate it by fully charging, discharging to about 5 to 10%, then fully charging again to reset the battery controller and improve accuracy. To finish, schedule regular maintenance and know when to replace the cell. If reported health is under 70% or cycle count approaches the spec limit, plan a replacement because calibration and tweaks can't restore chemical capacity. Make sure you use the original charger and avoid charging in very hot or cold conditions. Keep the device between 0 degrees and 35 degrees C. If issues continue, test with a known good charger or external battery pack. And if readings still disagree, get a professional diagnostic to rule out charging circuitry faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.